Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman, and today we are going to do this ADVPN lab. So this is ADVPN over BGP. So what is the scenario here? We have a European. What is ADVPN? ADVPN is actually communicating between the branches without using any other connection between the branches. So like they do not have connection with Norway and France. They are coming through this European this internet. So they are not connected with each other, but still they can communicate with each other with ADVPN. Otherwise, if you want to see what is the ADVPN, I have recorded previous video, you can browse that one. So in this one we will configure this one ADVPN. So first of all, I will tell you what is the configuration I have done there. So I will show in the my router first what I have there. So show IP interface brief. So I have configured these interfaces there. This one. So I only do this one configuration, and I have given the static route for all that one. So show IP, the route is there. So if you I see this IP routes, all these IP routes is there. So we have these almost 7 IP routes. So this is with this firewalls, because we cannot use this interface, we have to use this remote interface from static routes. So these are all firewalls IPs. So what in the firewall I have configured? I have configured there is interfaces. This is a normal interfaces that I have configured for accessing my firewall. This port 1 and port 2 is we have used for WAN, and port 3 is we use for this one local interface. So same I have done the configuration. I will show you one more, and then we can start the configuration by checking the ping between the firewalls. So what is this one we have here? We have interface there. So same we have given this interface. This is a WAN interface, and this is our local interface. So I have given this static router also. This is static routes, and I have given this router IP. This is which is connected to the interface. So I have given this default route with that one. So same I have given there in this static routes to make the connectivity between them. See this one. So I have given this router IP. This is the router IP. So I have given these routers IPs against their static routes. So this is a configuration I have given, and all these sites is connected with this Belgium servers, and this all type of servers. This is server is only virtual PC. This is nothing. I change the icon only. So this is our connectivity with that one. Okay, we will start our ADVPN. So ADVPN is like he will give the one pool of IPs, tunnel IPs, to all his spokes. This is hub and this is a spoke. So hub will generate all type of spokes and easy configuration key. It generate two things from them, and then we will implement in these spokes, and this spoke will communicate with each other. So this is our configuration. So what we will do, we will go to our firewalls, and we start configuring this VPN. So this is a VPN IP tunnel visit. So we need to stack the hub and spoke. So hub and spoke will be using the auto discovery with BGP as a routing protocol. So BGP is used as a routing protocol between them. So we have almost 6 spokes there. So we will configure this one. So first of all, I will configure this one as a EU2 spoke. This is my first one. So I click next. So what is my incoming interface? Incoming interface is this one, port 2. So I will add this port 2. Okay, so what is this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I can give that key. So this key should be same. So this is the tunnel's IP. So how many we required tunnel IPs? Because this is this firewall IP, and the remote one is 2. So only 1 and 2 they can give. So we have, but we need more. So how many we need? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So almost 6 we need, or maybe in future we need. So we can make it 12. Okay, so 12 total we can assign. So click next. So this is autonomous system for this what we say, this is BGP. This is default autonomous system. So what is our local interface? Is port 3. If you see, this is a port 3. Port 3 is our local interface. So we will give this one, and this tunnel IP automatically given to this spoke network. So we click next. No, sorry. So we need how many spokes there? We have almost right now 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 spokes we have. So we have to generate these spokes here. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have 6 now IP addresses for that one, and also we will get the configuration of this one. We will click next, and we will create. When we create, there is a spokes key is generated there. So this key we have to implement in our spoke network to apply this configuration, and they can communicate with each other. So what we will do, we will go in second firewalls, and we will start VPN first spoke configuration. So what is hub and spoke? So what is this? Belgium to EU. So we will click as a spoke. So what is the easy configuration there? We have to copy this one, and we will paste there. Apply, click next. Okay, this is our this one. Then we will put 1 2 3 4 5 6. When we give this spoke configuration, it will take automatically remote IP address, but pre-shared we have to define. So we can again define this one, so there will be no mistake. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, click next, and if you see, he has given this IP to this firewalls as a tunnel IP, and remote IP is this one. Okay, this is 2.1. This is a remote IP of this one, our first firewall. So we will click next. Okay, now we will select the interface we have in port 3. We have in port 3, and we will click next, and we will create. So our first firewall is created. Now we will go to second firewall. Same, we will go to IPsec hub and spoke, select the spoke, and what is this? Norway to EU. Then we have to go in our firewalls, copy this second one, configuration, easy configuration, and we will paste there. Apply and click next. So this is our remote IP address. It automatically came 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same we will given there. Click next. So it will assign a one tunnel IP to this firewalls, and this is the tunnel IP of our European firewall. So click next, and we will give this local interface there, and click next and create. So this is our second one is done. So now we will go to our fourth one. So we will go in VPN, click the visit, same hub and spoke we will select. What is our 2041? 204 is France. So we will do that FR to EU. Okay. Then we will give this IP, third one IP, to our France one, hub and spoke. We will apply here, click next, then it will generate automatically this one, same key we have to given here, and click next. So it generated one more IP, so we click there. Now we will select the local interface and click next and create. So this is show tunnel here. Okay, the France is done. Now we will go to our this one, what we say, this is Italy, I think. So we have Italy one, same we will start the visit there, hub and spoke, IT to EU, spoke is there. So what we will do, we will click next one, configuration copy. We will go there, we will paste there, apply here, click next. Then we have this configure 1 2 3 4 5 6, click next. So 2.5 next. Now we will select this one, port 3, and click next, create. So this is it, done, Italy. Now we will go to our Portugal one, firewall. In Portugal also we do the same thing. We will go to hub and spoke, PR to EU, and then we will go this key, we will copy from there, and we will go in Portugal one and put the key there, apply here, click next. This 1 2 3 4 5 6, click next, click next, it says assign the IP, click the local interface, it will automatically direct, create and show tunnels. So our last one is Germany, so we will do that Germany also. In Germany we will do this visits also, same hub and spokes, GR to EU. Okay, spokes, we have to select spoke, and we will copy this last one, our configuration key, and we will go there and put it there, apply, click next. We will select this one automatically, pre-shared key, 1 2 3 4 5 6, click next, generate automatically this tunnel IP, and then we will select this one, port 3, click next and create. So our tunnel is created. So here one thing I want to discuss, that all these traffic, okay, these traffic will pass through this one, all this interface and other things, but we will not get the ping from here to here, from here to these IPs, because we did not define, we have to define one inside permit policy here, so they can allow everything, every one these IPs, because this is not a single IP, they are multiple IP. So we have to allow all IPs coming from there to the inside. So that's why we will go there and we will configure one policy in our Fortinet firewall to allow it inside. Otherwise policy is generated by automatically, but this one we require to do this. So this is our firewalls. You see we have generated one policies here. Yeah, these are the policies which is as we started the visit, this is generated. So one new policy we have to create as inside. What we will do, we will give port 3 interface, because port 3 is our inside interface, this one. So we need to allow till here we can reach, but port 3 we need to allow so it can communicate also, because we didn't allow this port 3 there in our visit. We only allow from here to here, but not from here. So we will allow from inside from there, so that they can ping from there. So that's why because we have applied this can be reachable to all these firewalls and also this one, but from here it is not reachable. So we have to allow one policy inside in this one, so they can communicate with also with them. So this is our firewall here, port 3. We will select this interface and we will select this tunnel IP. Now we will give all source and all destination, all services. We disable the net, accept, check the enable policy and click OK. So what we will do, we will try to ping from this to all these IPs. So first of all we will check whether we configure the IP or not. If not, we will configure that IP. So we will give the command show. We do not have any IP, so we have to configure it. IP 192.168.196.2 255.255.255.0 192.168.196.2 .1. So same we have to configure in all, because we do not configure this IP. So IP 10.132.55.2.255.255.255.0 10.132.55.1. So it will check the duplicate IP and then it will okay. So same we will do there. IP 10.133.55.2 255.255.255.0 10.132.55.1. So we will go in 34 also. IP 10.132.55.2 255.255.255.0 10.132.134.55.1. Okay, this France will create. Now we will go to Italy one. IP 10.135.55.2 255.255.255.0 10.135.55.1. Okay, now we will go to 36. IP 10.136.55.2 255.255.255.0 10.136.55.1. So same in this 7th one we have IP 10.137.55.2 255.255.255.0 10.136.35.55.1. Okay, now we will go to our servers. First servers, this is our HQ. We try to ping this one, our any server. First we will ping this one 132.55.2. so we are reachable there. So now what we will do, we will go to 33.55. We are reachable. So now we will check 134.55.3. Oh sorry, this is 2 now. So we are reachable there. So 135.55.2 reachable. Okay, 136.55.2 reachable. So what is next? 137.55.2 is reachable. Okay, now as you know that we use a ADVPN to connect the branches with one another. So these are the branches. Spoke 1 should communicate with spoke 2, spoke 3, spoke 4, so they can communicate with each other. That's why we use ADVPN. Main use is ADVPN is like this. So what we will do, we will go in the Belgium servers and we will try to ping all our this one IPs. So first we will try this Norway one. Norway is 10.133.55.2. so we are reachable there. So what we will do next, we will go to 134.55.2. so we are reachable there also. So what we will do, 135.55.2, we are reachable there. Do not worry about this one request timeout. This is always happening when we start this network. So 136 we are reachable. So 137.55.2, so it's a reachable. So we are reachable there. So our all branches are now connected with each other. So why we use ADVPN, I can explain again. Because when we want the communication, suppose one company want his branches to connect with one another through hub and spoke, they can communicate with this network directly through their central, all the branches separately, but branches cannot communicate with each other. So for communicating with each other, they need separate link to each branch. So they have how many branches they have, they need too many links. So one branch can need suppose here he need this, if we want to communicate with all these branches, he need 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 links requires. So every time when we add new branch, so we need to add more connections in our all sites. So and also this is a complication of IPsec if we configure site to site VPN between them. So maybe some configuration issue, or so it is also very expensive cost, because every time we need to buy the new connection for each sites to each sites. So this is a too much cost for that one. So in replacement of that, we have ADVPN. So ADVPN, what he will do, he will generate some tunnel IPs. So he will give to all these tunnel IPs, and he will generate one keys, configuration keys, and we will put in that one. So due to this configuration key, they have knowledge for each spokes there, no? So each spoke has the information of other spokes. so they can directly communicate with each other through this internet. So he do not require to use this central configuration, because the central has the information of this one. So all these information is given to them with the keys there, no? So due to these keys they can communicate with each other, and so we do not require extra link on each sides to connect with each side. So that's the main benefit of this ADP network. So our lab is successful, so we will meet inshallah in next video. So kindly subscribe my channels and press like my videos and share my videos, and also press the bell icon so you can get my video as I upload it. Thank you for your time.